Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to discuss a typical underground downspout failure. Underground downspouts. When the water goes in and under the ground, out to my drainage tee or my drain pipe or whatever I have, a common failure is lack of a strainer where the downspout goes underground. When we did this video years ago, we put a strainer here. As the water came down, the leaves would hit the strainer and at least 90% of them would run off on the ground, and then somewhat filtered water would go out to our pipe, to our pop-up. So what happens is we're in a condo association where people are smarter than us. So they took off my filter, probably not knowing what it was, and did a direct connect of what I try to get people to avoid. The filter keeps the underground system clean. So there's our downspout, goes into the ground, comes out here to a T. So there's a pop-up to let the water out, that's cool. But what's happened is look at all the crud that's come off the roof and has filled our system up. So by taking off our filter, fill the pipe, clog the drain at the end, and prevent the water from coming out the pop-up, or it'll clog enough that to force the rainwater will pop our cover off, and then the next lawnmower guy, because we're in a condo association, that's gone. So the filter and a pop-up make for a good long-term underground downspout system. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.